Hey there, food lovers! Hi everyone! Are you ready to get cooking? I love creating delicious and healthy meals. It's easier than you think. We're using simple ingredients to make amazing food. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Let's get started. I love to visit the farmer's market for fresh ingredients. It's so inspiring to see all the colorful fruits and vegetables. Plus, it's a great way to support local farmers. What are your favorite things to cook? I always feel my best when I'm eating healthy home-cooked meals. It's all about balance. Don't be afraid to indulge in your favorite treats occasionally. Life is too short not to enjoy good food. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Eating healthy is so important for our overall well-being. When we nourish our bodies with nutritious food, we feel our best. Think of it this way: food is fuel. What we eat impacts our energy levels, our mood, and even our sleep. By making small changes to our diet, we can make a big difference in how we feel. It doesn't have to be complicated. Start by adding more fruits and veggies to your plate. Choose lean proteins and whole grains. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for staying hydrated and healthy. Water helps flush out toxins, keeps our skin looking great, and supports overall bodily functions. So, grab a reusable water bottle and make it your new best friend. Let's talk breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It sets us up for success. My go-to breakfast is overnight oats. They're incredibly easy to make and keep me full and satisfied all morning long. Here's what you need: half a cup of rolled oats, a cup of your favorite milk. I love almond milk. A spoonful of chia seeds, a drizzle of honey, and a handful of berries. Simply combine the oats, milk, chia seeds, and honey in a jar or container. Stir well, cover, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top with fresh berries and enjoy cold straight from the fridge. You can customize your overnight oats with different toppings like nuts, seeds, or even a dollop of nut butter. Get creative and make it your own. Section 4. Lunchtime Power-Up Big Green Salad. Lunch is a great opportunity to pack in the nutrients. I love making big, colorful salads. They're light, refreshing, and oh so good for you. Start with a bed of leafy greens like spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce. Then add in your favorite veggies. I love cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, and shredded carrots. For protein, grilled chicken or fish are great options. Hard-boiled eggs or chickpeas are also delicious and nutritious additions. To make your salad extra satisfying, sprinkle some nuts or seeds on top. A light vinaigrette dressing adds a burst of flavor. Section 5. Dinner Delight. Simple salmon and veggies. Dinner doesn't have to be complicated. One of my favorite quick and easy meals is baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. I love using dill or rosemary with salmon. Chop up your favorite vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, or Brussels sprouts. Toss them with olive oil, salt, pepper, and any herbs you like. Spread them around the salmon on the baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Serve with a squeeze of lemon juice for extra flavor. Section 6. Good food, good mood, good for you. See, healthy eating can be easy and enjoyable. By incorporating these simple recipes into your weekly routine, you'll be nourishing your body from the inside out. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating one healthy meal into your day and gradually build from there. Listen to your body and fuel it with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Cooking should be fun and rewarding. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and try new things. You never know, you might just discover your new favorite dish. Cheers to a healthier and happier you.